Hi, welcome to IME SolidWorks. For the next couple of minutes, we shall share with you all one of the 5 Express features in SolidWorks SustainabilityXpress. It is very excited for me to share with you on the first THeh integrated life cycle assessment feature, which is also the latest Express features in SolidWorks 2010. How sustainable is our environment? I believe most of us notice the environment awareness is increasing due to the natural disaster which happened recently, as well as the rise of pollution index. To name a few, such as the increase of acidity of air, water, and soil, or air pollution which lead to global warming, the rising temperatures of the Earth's atmosphere, and destructions of the ozone layer. And one more I would like to highlight is solid waste, which is caused by inefficient production process and poor design for end-of-life treatment. An international agreement, Kyoto Protocol, signed in year 1997 for 37 industrialized countries and European Community for reducing greenhouse gases emissions. Today, I believe even you might not know about Kyoto Protocol, but I believe you heard about green design or sustainable design, or maybe carbon credits. Sustainable design goes beyond just environmental sustainability. I'm talking about economics and competitive market conditions are additional factors making sustainable design a desirable approach to engineering today. Sustainable design is a comprehensive approach to create products and systems that are environmentally caring, socially just, and increase the competitiveness in the marketplace. By looking at some facts, evidence groups found that factors driving green products development fall within 2 general categories: internal and external pressures for social responsibility and a strategic plan to grow business. 56% of the manufacturers have already deployed some form of design for greener products strategy. LCA is life cycle assessments of a product from raw materials used to manufacturing to product use, and finally its end-of-life disposal, and taking into account the transportations as well. The life cycles of a product is often long and complicated. It covers all the areas from the extractions of natural resources to their design, manufactures, assembly, marketing, distribution, sales, and use to their eventual disposal as waste. At the same time, it also involves many different actors such as designers, industry, marketing people, retailers, and consumers. An important statement that I would like to highlight here is 80% of all product-related environmental impact are determined during the design phase. SolidWorks has many tools built in to achieve this, and one of the innovative functionality is called SustainabilityXpress. By integrating life cycle assessment into the design process, you can see how decisions about materials, manufacturing, and locations where parts are manufactured and where they are used influence a design environmental impact. SolidWorks sustainability measures the environmental impact over the life cycles of the products in terms of 4 factors: carbon footprints, air pollutions, water pollutions, and total energy consumed. A dashboard displays the current value, a baseline comparison, your original design, and percent contributions. Because it is done real time, you will be able to easily understand the environmental impact of your design choices and effortlessly make sustainability a standard part of your design process. Our license in SolidWorks 2010 includes SustainabilityXpress. Take this dry sled as an example. It was liquid metal dry sled, and we can easily find its environmental impact. All we need to do is to specify its materials, specify its manufacturing methods. In this case, it will be form sheet metals, and then we choose the region to manufacture the part, and as well as where to use it. So in this case, we will select Asia regions and the area to manufacture the part, and the part is going to be used in Europe. So at the bottom, we can see that the environmental impact calculated in 4 key criteria. carbon emissions, total energy consumed, and air and water pollutions. Let's say we set this design as our baseline and would like to compare it with other design and to decide is it possible to perform meaningful changes. Here we are looking at a plastic dry slab. Again, I will define its materials, and in this case it will be plastic. Let's say ABS-PC. Next is the manufacturing methods, which is injected mold, and the manufacturing and where to use regions. Right. So of course it's the same. So now look at the bottom. We can see that the design have greater environmental impact, and it didn't look like a great idea after all to change it into plastic. But maybe changing other types of plastic may give a better result. That's why SustainabilityXpress has the ability to find similar materials. Let's say we will search out material with higher tensile strength. Okay? When I have a suspect materials, I just simply click on it, and you can see the graphs at the bottom with new result comparing with the baseline. So nylon 610 have an acceptable result, and let's just accept this as my design. So I have targeted two designs, a steel dry stack and a plastic dry stack, and have a better understanding on their environmental impact. So with one mouse click, I can actually communicate this information clearly throughout my organizations. SustainabilityXpress will generate a Microsoft Word report which will compare the two designs. It is a great way to communicating the design throughout the whole organization and ultimately make greater choice to design a better sustainable products. I hope you like these features and start using it to design a better future. For more information, feel free to log in to our websites or contact us via our hotline. Till then, thanks.